go. Okay. Good. Relax here. Let this ear drop down. Good. Beautiful. All right, I'm here with one of our patients, Ryan. He is a lacrosse player at one of the local high schools. He initially came in for some neck, upper back pain. So we got him treated for that. Now he's coming in for, regular, frequent maintenance adjustments. Again, with lacrosse, he's getting hit quite a bit, but also hitting a lot as well. So we just want to make sure that he's, good to go for not only school, but for continuing with his practice and game schedule here. So we'll go ahead and get him adjusted. Go ahead, take a breath in here, Ryan. Good. All the way out. There we go. Okay, on your back. Good. Relax here. Let this ear drop down. Good. Beautiful.